In this video, we will learn how to create attendance with a QR code. So it will be a simple attendance system using a QR code where student can scan and mark their attendance. So let's jump in and learn how we can do it. First of all, visit Google Forms and log into your account using Gmail account. Then click on blank form and then start filling the form. First of all, we will give a title to our form. In our case, it's daily attendance form. Next, add a short description to this attendance form. It could be some instruction for the students. Once done, you can move next by adding the questions. In first question, write the full name as heading. From question type, make sure to choose multiple choices. Now you can pre-fill all of your students' names here so they can simply check on their name. I am entering 5 student names for demonstration purpose. You can add as many as you want. Once you are done, make sure to mark this question as required. This is very important step. Then click on the plus icon to add another question. It should be the student ID. Then again choose the right type, which is multiple choices, and start adding the student IDs. In my case, I am adding STU001 and so on for the demonstration purpose. Once done, you can add another question. It could be like, I confirm that I am present in the class. Then choose the right type, which should be check boxes, and add a text like, I confirm I am present. This is just optional. You can add as many questions as you want. Once done, click on the publish button. The form will be published. You can view by clicking on the eye icon and you can review it here. Next, we will do some settings. First, go to the responses tab and make sure to link this form to a sheet. Then click link to sheet. A new sheet will be linked to your form. It will automatically extract all of fields of your form, including the timestamp. So you don't need to add dates manually. Then go to the setting tabs. Then you can do these settings. Under responses, you can choose to collect email addresses, which could be verified or responder input. I am choosing the verified option. Then we will do some customization to our form, like once the responder responds to the form, they will see a short message. So let's customize it like your attendance has been recorded. Thank you. So this is a customized message according to our form. Once done, let's go back. Now we will click on the link icon and click shorten this URL and copy the link. Now visit the following website, qrgenerator.org, and paste the link under URL field. A QR code will be created automatically. You can do many customization as you like, but all of these are optional. Like in my case, I will use a frame. You can add a custom text on this frame as well, like attendance QR. You can also customize the font of the frame. Let's choose Arial. Once you are done with the customization, click on the Save button. Then you can download it and in any format. In my case, I will download in PNG. Now let's test this QR code. I'm using a scanner on my phone and scanning this QR code. Then, as I opened the link, it took me directly to the form where I can fill it. So let's fill it for the testing purpose. Now, let's go back and see the responses. You can see there are many responses as we done our testing. So you can see all of students' responses here. For more detail, you can click in View in Sheets, where you will find timestamp, full name, student ID, the confirmation status, and their email addresses. So this is well-organized form where you can manage the student attendance and see who is present. You can search in the form as well by name, by student ID, or even by email address. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure to subscribe our channel.